Remember, if you need your multiplication chart, get it out. All right, my recording started. We're going to get started. Da, 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 da. $342 divided by 7. What's up? Oh, no math RTI? Okay. Well, you can read a book or whatever you need to do, Elijah. Bye. You're leaving me again. All right, friends. Dun, da, da, da. 7 cannot go into 3, so Mrs. Kneifel likes to throw a tiny little X there because that helps Mrs. Kneifel remember. 7 can go into 34 though, and it can go into 34 4 times, which is 28. 34 minus 28 equals 6. Bring down my 2. 7 can go into 62. Good question. How many times? 8? Yes, it can go in 8 times, which is what, 56? Yeah, look, Mrs. Kneifel needs to apparently work on her multiplication skills. 56. 62 minus 56 is 6. Your answer is 48, remainder 6. Yay. Let me see your boards, please. Gage, I want to see your work too, silly boy. I don't just want to see your answer. Okay. Moving on. What? That was me. I was yawning. New problem. Landon, let's go, bud. You got nothing on your board. Why wouldn't you say that then? You're just chilling? Why don't you spotlight me so you can only see me? That way you could easily see the numbers. You don't need to see anyone but myself, Landon. I am the most important person in Math RTI. going to walk through it. 4 can go into 7. It can go into 7 one time. So 1 goes above the 7. 1 times 4 is 4. 7 minus 4 equals 3. Bring down my 3. 4 can go into 33 8 times, which is 32. 33 minus 32 is 1. Bring down my 9. 4 can go into 9 5 times? No, it can go in 4 times, which is 16. 19 minus 16 is 3. Your answer is 184, remainder 3. If you're not getting it correct, see where you made your mistake. What? Okay. N equals 4 times 20 plus 92. You need to find the value of N. You need to find the value of N. Dun, da, da, da. All right. So we got to find the value of N. So the first thing I need to do is still order of operations. 4 times 20 is 80. 80 plus 92. N equals 172. And remember, you have to write N equals. That's important. Let me see your boards, my friends. Let me see your boards. I'm sorry I kicked you off. Glad you're back on. Yeah, if you ever get kicked off, it's not a big deal. Just hop back on. All right, you guys may erase. Next problem's coming at you. Back to division. Why not? I can see. 822 divided by 4. kind of hard. Yeah, that's why we're practicing it, bud. So much for my happy ending. Whoa. Evan. Right on. All right, guys. Walk through it. How many times can 4 go into 8? Twice. 2 times 4 equals 8. 8 minus 8 equals 0. Then I bring down my 2. Can 4 go into 2? No, it can go in 0 times, so I put a 0 up there. And then 2 minus 0 equals 2. Bring down my next 2. 2 can go into 22 5 times, which is 20, remainder 2. So your answer should be 205, remainder 2. You can't forget to throw that 0 up there because it can go in 0 times. Are there any questions on that one? I know that one was a little bit different. And remember, we could check. All we would have to do is 205 times 4 plus 2. Okay? Let's erase. Multiplication. All you were missing was the line. All right, let's work it out together. Okay. First thing we have to do is 8 times 7. What is 8 times 7, boys and girls? Yep, 56. I guess I can't hear everyone, huh? Carry my 5, put the 6 down below. 8 times 6 is 48, right? Plus 5, which is 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53. 3 down below, carry my 5. 8 times 3 is 24. Plus 5 is 29. Now I drop in a 0. Don't forget your 0. 4 times 7 is 28. Put my 8 down below. Carry my 2. 4 times 6 is 24 plus 2, which is 26. Put my 6 down below. Carry my 2. 4 times 3 is 12 plus 2 is 14. Now I got to add it up. 6 plus 0, 6. 3 plus 8 is 11. Carry my 1. 6 plus 9 is 15. Plus 1 is 16. Carry my 1. 4 plus 2 is 6. Plus 1 is 7. 1 plus nothing is 1. Your answer is 17,616. I'm seeing correct answers. That was a long problem, so way to work it out if you guys did it. Good job. Good job. You were able to get that one.
Wait, what do we have today?
Well, this is Math RTI, not time to ask it. If you got it wrong, just know where you made your mistakes. And if you want to know, feast your eyes upon the board that I write every single day to tell you what we have to do. All right, new problem. Dun, da, da, da. $293 divided by 2. Okay, 2 goes into 2 one time. 2 minus 2 equals 0. Bring down my 9. 2 can go into 9 4 times. 2 times 4 is 8. 9 minus 8 equals 1. Bring down my 3. 2 goes into 13 6 times, which equals 12. 13 minus 12 is 1. 1, 46. Remainder 1. 146, remainder 1. Let me see your guys' boards. Hopefully you got it right because you guys are so smart. You smart cookies. Okay, Mr. Julian, where did you go wrong? Because your answer is not the same as mine. Remember, if your answer is not the same as mine, you got to figure out where you went wrong. You wrote 136 instead of 146, buddy. N equals 82 times 4. N equals 82 times 4. I have one. Here, Landon, come get one. N equals 82 times 4. So you just set it up. 82 times 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 4 is 32. Your answer should be N equals 328. Let me see your boards. Okay. The telephone for me. Hello? Yes. Nolan. All right, bye. Someone remind me, you need a pencil and a glue stick for art class, okay? Okay. If you need to borrow a glue stick, I have some. Just let me know before we leave. Okay. Next problem. You guys may erase. Okay, got a word problem for you. Mrs. Kneifel has 136 chickens. She divides them among her 10 friends. By the way, we're going to be chopping up some chickens, apparently. How many does each friend get? So I have 136 chickens divided among my 10 friends. 136 chickens divided among my 10 friends. So in other words, your problem is 136 divided by 10. Evan, that's going to take all day. Just longhand it. 136 divided by 10. 10 can go into 13. One time. There's 3 left. There's 6. Bring down the 6 and go in 3 times. Remainder 6. It will take you much longer to do that. I'm going to erase the word problem part. But anyways, Mrs. Kneifel has 136 chickens. I'm dividing them among my friends. Mrs. Kneifel doesn't have 10 friends, and I definitely don't have 136 chickens. But 10 cannot go into 1, but it can go into 13 one time. 13 minus 10 equals 3. Bring down my 6. 10 can go into 36 3 times, which equals 30. Remainder 6. Your answer should be 13, remainder 6. So everyone gets 13 chickens, and there's 6 left over. Got 6 chickens left over. Ava, where's your dry erase board, love? If you needed one today still, you need to get one. It's probably really hard to see on paper. Now Math RTI is almost over, but bring back your dry erase board tomorrow, Ava, or ask me for another one. Okay. One more problem for today, then we're going to call it quits on Math RTI. $392 times 36. If you're on here and I can see your board, you do not need to type your number in the chat because I'm going to see your board. 6 times 2 equals 12. Carry my 1. 9 times 6 is 54. Plus 1 is 55. Carry my 5. 6 times 3 is 18. Plus 5, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. 23. Drop in my 0. Oh, that's a funny looking 3. Drop in my 0. 3 times 2 is 6. 9 times 3 is 27. 3 times 3 is 9. Plus 2 is 11. 2, 11, 10, 11, 4, 1. 14,112 should be your answer. 14,112. All right, friends, thank you for following along. This recording will be posted as always. I will see you guys later. Have a happy morning. Goodbye. My class, I need you to get a pencil and a glue stick out. A pencil and a glue stick is what you need. If you need a glue stick, I'm going to put them out on my counter and you may borrow one. A pencil and a glue stick.